In this video, I'm going to be covering two topics, and these topics are: number one, how to create a working Stripe account in Nigeria. Now, let me tell you this. One of the reasons why a lot of people are unable to create a Stripe account in Nigeria is that they go directly to the website stripe.com and try to create an account. When you do this, you will be unable to create an account. Let me show you that now. When you come to stripe.com and you click on to register an account, it will bring you to the dashboard, right? So after filling your email, your full name and password, the next thing is going to be to select a country, right? It's going to be on United States by default. Even if you are using your Nigerian IP, you're going to be on United States by default. Then when you click on this to select your country and you try to type Nigeria, what happens? You can see that Nigeria will not appear as a list of countries. You cannot create a personal Stripe account because when you come through this website, you are trying to create a personal Stripe account and you cannot do that from Nigeria. What you need is a Stripe business account. Now, the second thing I'm going to be covering in this topic is how to create your Stripe account and link it to your Luel account. Now, Luel is a platform where you can complete tasks for training AI and get paid for it. Let's go to how to link our account on Luel. The first thing you need is to go to your profile and click on settings. Now, when you come to settings, you are going to try to link your payment method. All right, if you have started this before and you did not complete, just click on disconnect, click on OK. That will be disconnected, and then you can try linking your payment method again. Now for Nigeria, there are only few options available, so Wise or Stripe bank transfer. So if you are trying to use Venmo, it is for USA only. PayPal is on maintenance and it is not available. Wise doesn't really work in Nigeria that much. Stripe is the only one you can use. So we are going to click on Stripe and we are going to type our full name. So you should type your full name exactly as it appears on your ID. So when you do that, you are going to click on continue setup. It will load and direct you to the link you're going to be using to create your Stripe account. So when creating your Stripe account in Nigeria, don't do that directly from the website. Don't go to the website directly to do that. Try to use this Luel. In fact, even if you're not going to earn money from this Luel, use it as a way to create a Stripe account. So you're going to be signing in to Stripe Express. You're going to say sign in, right? But don't worry, even if you have not created an account before, just go ahead and choose an email that you want to use. Any email that you want to use for your Stripe account, use it here. Use your real email, please, because this is going to be something you're going to be needing in the future. So it's time for us to do that. I will just type my email address. This is the email address I want to use to create my Stripe account, and then I'm going to click on continue. Next thing is that we've sent a text to your phone. Now, if I have tried this before, right? So I've already linked my phone number that ends with 07086. If you have not done that before, you're going to ask you to put in your phone number and they will send the code. So when you receive the code, you can simply enter the code into the box provided here. So this is my code that I received now, 240071. Okay, we are good to go. And the next stage, let's see what they will bring out here. This is probably where I'll start filling in my details, bank name and every other details that I need to enter. Load up. Okay, business type. Tell us about your business. You can see that it's asking for business details, right? But don't worry, just go ahead and fill in your personal details. Don't choose company or non-profit, just choose individual or sole proprietorship. Then I'm going to click on continue. This is where a lot of people will get stuck. If you created a Luel account that is not from your country, you are going to be seeing under home address, this place here, you are going to be getting the country that you tried registering from. So please make sure that your Luel account is registered from your country. Next thing, now we're going to fill in our name and home address details. So I'm going to fill in my real name here, please, real name only. So after filling in these details, I'm going to click on continue to proceed. Okay, the next thing now I'm going to fill is bank details. Now this is where a lot of people get confused, right? So the next thing I'm going to do now, you're going to be using your Nigerian bank account, all right? Account holder name must match the name on your bank account exactly using English characters. So another thing is Swift BIC code. Now another thing again is account number, and you put your account number again. Now let me show you what you need to do now, right? Type in your account name the same way it is in your account, all right? Exactly the way your name is on your account, your surname, your other name, and then maybe any other name that you have. So you have your Swift or BIC code. What you need to do now is just to open a new tab on your Google. So whatever bank you are using, for example, let's say you are using GT Bank, right? GT Bank Swift /BIC code. Just type on Google like this, and Google search, and it will give you the original stuff. So the main Swift or BIC code for Guaranteed Trust Bank in Nigeria is this. You can simply copy this, or you can copy this and paste it there. So whatever bank you are using, let's say you are using Wema Bank Swift and BIC code. When you search for that, it's going to give you the primary Swift BIC code for Wema Bank in Nigeria this is it, right? Okay, so whatever one you are using, just search on it, just search on Google for it, you copy it, you paste it here, as the BIC code. You can see that even the example they gave started with AAA something and end with XXX, right? So let me copy mine. Mine is Wema Bank. I'm using Wema Bank, so I'm just going to click on this to copy. I will drag and paste it here. This is for my Wema Bank. Next thing I'm going to do now is to type in my account number. So when you type your account number, just make sure it is correct. I don't have to tell you that, right? So just make sure that your account number is correct. You click on continue here. Okay, so now this is the final step you need to do here. Review and submit. Take a moment and review your information. So you can see your business type, individual or sole proprietorship. You can also see your personal details. When you go down, you can see your payout details. So whenever money enters your Stripe account, they will send it to this your bank account that you linked here. So I'm going to click on agree and submit. Thanks for submitting information submitted. Thanks for adding your information to set up your account, and then I'm being redirected here. So you can see here now my Stripe is now connected. This means that I've successfully created a Stripe account. Now let us try something else. I want to try to log in into Stripe, just normal login into Stripe, and see if I can log in with that account details, with that email that I used to create the account. I click on sign in with Google, and then I will select my email, which is the same email I used to create it. Let me see if it will work. Okay, so they've sent a text to my phone number again, so I'm going to get that now and type it here. Alright, so after doing that, you're going to see that it's going to bring out all the platforms that I've registered on using this particular Stripe account. So select which account to sign in. I have Luel Incorporated twice here. Maybe it's because I tried multiple times. So I'm just going to click on Luel Incorporated. Alright, so this is it. Now you can see that I have successfully created my Stripe account. I can also log in using the normal login on the website, but it will take me to Stripe Express. All right, so you can also confirm your email here. So if you need to confirm your email, just click on send email. Once that is sent, okay, confirmation email has been sent to your email address. Then you can simply open your phone or your laptop, go to the Gmail app or website, and then just click on confirm your email address for account with Stripe. All right, so just click on confirm your email. So once that is confirmed, I think my account is done. So make sure that you also do this, and make sure you confirm your email. So after doing everything, just make sure that you log in and try to confirm your email so that your account will be set up properly. All right, so this is it here now. Once Stripe sends, once Luel send my any earnings that I withdraw from there, I'm going to see it here. Right? Then you can go to balance and see any balance that you have. Manage your account from here. Now let's talk a little about Luel. Luel has been paying some persons, but currently, I mean, the approval method is actually very difficult. So if you have made any withdrawal, you can also try to place withdrawal. For task, go to dashboard to access any task that is available. It is very difficult to get an approval these days on Luel, and you can see that they've also removed the English task that most of us are completing. So I think this is going to be very difficult to even earn anything on Luel. So I think that is all for now, guys. If there's any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. The only task that's available now is this egocentric multi-step origami and paper craft video. If you can do that, attach your phone to your head and record yourself doing that and upload. If you have any questions, do not forget to ask me in the comment section. You can contact me on WhatsApp and also follow me on Twitter, where I drop most of my updates. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and until next time, this is goodbye for now.